How to switch between the tabs in Chrome browser. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the simple keyboard shortcuts that you can use, and you can easily switch between the tabs on Chrome. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the browser. Okay guys, so you can see I have 1 2 3 4 5 tab here. Okay, how you can switch it? There is a few keyboard shortcuts. I will show you. First shortcut is you can see the shortcuts path or shortcuts key here at your bottom side. Okay, first thing, if I select the first tab, then you have to just hit the control and tap. You have to just hit the control and hold it, then hit the tab. Then you can see this has been switching to the next level. To the next. If you want to make reverse, like or at backside, then just you have to hit the control plus shift. You have to hold the control shift button, and now you have to hit tab. Okay, so this is a simple way. And another very simple way, if you want to jump from one tab to directly to 3 tab, you can simply jump. You have to just press control key and hold it. Now you have to enter the, if you want to jump directly this 5 number tab, then I have to just enter the 5. Okay, if you want to jump into 2 number, then I have to just hold the control key and enter the 2 number. Then you can see it is jumped now. Okay, and there is another keyboard shortcuts that you have to just hold the control key, hit and hold the control key, and you have to use up page button, that it will be send the back, and page down button, it will be send the next tabs. Okay, so you can see this is a simple way. And for jump, you can just hit the control key and hold it and hit the number. If you want to jump to 5, then you have to enter the 5, then it will jump to 5 number tabs. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.